We are here in Araaz, in Spain, in my compound. Before the X-Fighter, when I prepare, I try to be here every day because I feel much better when I ride every day. My name is Dany Torres. This is the setup of my bike for freestyle. I ride with the KTM 250 two-stroke. I prefer this bike. I think it's more easy for ride. I changed the pipe because I find more power with this pipe. Power is really important in the bike for riding the freestyle motocross because sometimes we have not much space, for take the line for the ramp. We cut the plastic and the seat a little bit, we shape a little bit, much better for the grab. The suspension is different because we need the suspension more hard. We put the flip levers for different tricks. And the grip is really good for your foot under the handlebar or in the fork. The Red Bull Spider is really important championship for me, and then if I want to make a new trick, I have to ride every day.